Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Ekagra. Today I'm going to show you how to dance salsa on one with 5 to 6 basic steps that you need. These steps covers most of what you will need when you dance salsa, even at professional levels. You will learn how to move forwards and backwards, how to initiate turns, how to create the patterns that make sure that you have a great salsa journey. I have created a blog post that fits with this video, so I explain in details the theory that goes behind all these steps and how you should break them down so it's more easy for you. But don't worry, in this video I will also explain to you how to do it. So we're going to see some basic steps moving forward and backwards, how to initiate turns for ladies and men, and also create what I call the close quarter turn moves. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so whenever something new comes up, you are the first one to know about it. There are plenty of free videos on my channel and many great contents on my website ekagraji.com. I have a great program that trains with one of the biggest issues salsa students have, which is how to recognize the clave, how to recognize the pattern of a song. I've developed a 5-level training program that takes you from what I call the baby steps all the way to complicated salsa, explaining the theory, explaining how you put it in practice. So check out these videos, they are free also, and you will see how your level will go forward. And I also develop another type of videos that are more into body movements. And why I'm talking about these two issues, because they are the most important one you need if you want to be a great salsa dancer. I like to say 90% of the salsa journey doesn't involve any salsa steps at all. Good musical hearing and body movements, these are the two stuff that you need. Once you get this, everything else will be easy for you to implement. And without any further ado, let's start our salsa dance on one. So guys, welcome to the salsa on one tutorial. We're going to go over 5 or 6 basic steps that you really need and that will help you improve your game. So basically the first one is really the basic one, forward and backward movement, but I will explain to you with this step why they call it salsa on one. So basically it goes like this for men. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I shift weight as I move forward and backwards, and I show it to you another side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I shift the weight on the 1, come back on the 2, shift the weight on the 3, shift the weight on the 5, and then on the 6, and come back on the 7. For the ladies, it's the same thing, only that you start with the right leg and backwards. So it becomes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I show you the other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The reason why they say salsa on one is when the clave goes like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And for ladies it's the same. 1, 1, 1. Okay? For the second step, we will carry on onto the basic step we've just done, and it's going to be a simple turn for ladies. But in order to prepare for this turn, we're going to do twice the basics. So the first time will be a pure basic one, and the second time is where the turn happens. For men, it's going to be 2 basics, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So basically you initiate the turn for the ladies. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Her arms are identical to mine and they are up. And then 5, you initiate the turn. 6, 7, and she comes back in position. And for the ladies, it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The arm does a kind of a seesaw movement. 1, 2, 3, go up. The elbow stay in. Don't do this. Many people do this. It's dangerous. And then you keep your eyes on your partner so that when you turn, so when you do 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you're in position. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So you don't go all over the place. I see it many times where people start like this and then they go all over the place. So keep your eyes on your partners and you'll be able to do this turn. The next move is a turn for the ladies, but the guy open up himself so the lady can go and turn that side. So it goes like this. 1, as if you're going to start the basic, you come back 2, but instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you go for 1, 2, 3. So basically you're opening your body to let her go, and then 5, 6, 7. So for guys it becomes 1, 2, 3. So again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So your feet does this motion. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So a bit perpendicular, but basically you go in from that side to that side. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And for ladies, when you are here, you go 1, 2, 3, and you move forward because it opened up for you. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so it's kind of a half turn. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can make it a full turn if you want. So the guys do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So the next move is going to be another simple turn for both partners. It goes back to the second move we just saw, but this time the guy also turned. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And for the guy, 1, 2, 3, and come back. 5, 6, 7. So you keep your eyes on the target. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And for ladies, the lady will do it on 5. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you keep your gaze always in front at your partners or at a spot so you can come back to the same position. And the last move for today is kind of a close quarter turn. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's for men. 1, 2, pull, and then 5, 6, 7. And for ladies, become 1, 2, 3, pull, and then 5, 6, 7. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So the turn can be half turn, full turn, or sometimes the guys turn around with the girls, so it's not a problem. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we just saw the turn where it's kind of a close quarter where you open in kind of a W between you and your partners. So one of the steps that helps with that is when you do this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that when you want to initiate a turn, so it can be like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2. So I pull, boom, and I move, move, move. So I pull, and then on 5, my right leg go behind my left one. 6, the left one carry on, and 7, I go in a position. And for ladies, it's like the same thing. So 1 for ladies is following this step, but this time we start with the left initiating the turn. So it's going to be pull, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So a good way to train for this step is doing this, what I call this backward step. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then you pull 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 5. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Clave de rumba. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, cajita china.
1,
5, 6, 7.
1. For men, 1,
1, 2, 3,
5,
6, 7. Cheque.
1, 5.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, conga. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7.
Ladies.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, quinto. Aprende.
1 basic. 1, 5, and then now it's turn for ladies. 5, okay? For ladies.
5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, this was Jimmy from Ekagra here. I hope you enjoyed this session on how to dance salsa on one. I showed you basic steps that you will need all your life for your salsa journey. So they are really important. Don't forget them, practice them. I also introduced you a little bit to the clave and some body movement, especially with the hips. I mean, it's a very light introduction, but for the clave, if you want to know how to listen to the music properly, follow the instruction I give in my 5-level musical hearing training. I take you from baby steps all the way to professional. So if you train them, if you train this with these videos, you will be good with your salsa. With regard to body movement, also I have great videos on that, so check them out. Don't forget to check my website, ekagraji.com. There are plenty of videos there also, and information and post articles. I cover everything from salsa to Zumba, flexibility, conditionings. When you get to my website, you realize, well, you don't really need the gym because everything is provided for you. So I hope you enjoyed this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And until next time, enjoy your salsa.